Of these guys.
Yes, so we have these guys. Oops, one of them fell down. And here comes the king. And what happens if the king attacks?
Yeah.
See, she still stays very peaceful. She's very serene.
Yeah! Did she run away?
Maybe.
Which one's the king?
I thought the king is the ornament.
Which one do you think should be the master? The master's evil.
The master's evil?
Yeah.
Oh, he should be the evil master.
Who should? This guy?
Yeah.
No, I think this guy should.
Yeah? But she's so serene looking.
And these are my good men.
You're good men?
Good men! Get the evil man! Whoa!
Hey.
You got powers. This is powers. Yeah! Ooh, yeah!
Hey, Dawn. These are delicate. They're made of wood. They're not.
This is made out of plastic.
Yeah.
Wait, I think it's made out of plastic because I made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Wow.
There was legs that I put on hinges and I painted it. I put the glitter on it.
Wow, that's very fancy.
I know it doesn't look my best.
It looks pretty nice.
This would be my best.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one.
Which one do you like better?
I like her better.
Huh? Why?
Well, because she seems so peaceful. But they're both nice. I mean, he's kind of cheerful looking. He doesn't really look too evil.
He's not evil.
Oh, I thought you said he was the evil master.
I said this one was.
Oh, she's the evil master. Want to see the movie?
Yeah.
Hey, shh, please. They're not for knocking. That's nice.
This is the end.
This the end of the movie?
This is gonna be it's the end soon. Now they're going in their grave.
In their grave, wow. They're all dead?
They're all evil. These guys were on his team, but they're dead.
Wow, that's sad.
Over.
The end? This is the end?
Yeah.
Okay.